Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Mikey Guitar Academy. Today I'm here with another episode of lesson, okay? That will enhance your playing as a beginner, that will give you more flexibility on the fretboard, okay? So for today, I'm not going to waste most of the time. I just want to go straight to the video. Okay, for today, I want to show you this simple arpeggio you can work for your finger exercise, to get fixed on the fretboard, okay? Okay. Okay, so what I'm playing there is just simple arpeggio of the 1, 4, 5 chord progressions. Okay, I'm doing this lesson in the key of F. Okay, this is the key of F. If you know that this is the first time you're watching my video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you know that anytime I drop an interesting video like this, okay? On this channel, I drop so many kind of lessons that will help and enhance your playing skills, okay? So guys, let's move straight into the video, okay? So this is the first chord, your normal major chord. As a beginner, if you can work this on a daily basis, you're going to see an improvement in your finger placement on the fretboard. Okay, it's just your normal do chord, va chord, sol chord, va chord. That is your 1, your 4, your 5 chord, the 4, and the 1. Okay, now this is the finger arpeggio. Okay, now we have the note that forms the do chord is the do, sol, mi, do. Do, mi, sol, do, mi. Okay, something like this. Okay, this is your root. Do, sol, mi, mi. On the 4th string. Okay, then the 5th string. On the 4th string. Now the mi, you have another mi here on the 4th string. Okay. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Okay, as a beginner, if you can start to work on that arpeggio on a daily basis, like 20 times, 10 times every day, your finger is going to get used to the fretboard. Your finger is going to get free on the fretboard. Okay, it's not like. Okay. But at first you need to start it very slow so that you don't make mistake. Slow brings harmony, slow brings steady playing, and slow brings boldness in whatever you're playing. Like stuff like this. Okay. So for those that don't understand the alphabetical, the sofa note explanation, what I'm playing there is I'm starting from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 5th fret, 5th fret, 6th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, and 8th fret. Okay, then you come back the same way, 8th fret, 7th fret, 5th fret, 6th fret, 5th fret. Okay. Go to your 4 chord, which is your va. Okay. That is your va, do, la, va. the 6th fret to the 7th, to the 6th fret, 6th fret A string, 6th fret the B string, to the 7th fret G string, to the 4th fret, to the 8th fret 4th string. The same way you play it down. Then you move to your 5th chord, which is this is your 10th fret. Your 10th fret, from your 10th fret to your 9th fret to your 8th fret to your 8th fret. Okay. 8th fret B, E string, low E string. 8th fret B string, 9th fret G string. That is your 10th fret and D string. So with this lesson, you'll be able to, make your finger more flexible on the fretboard. It's going to give you more flexibility on the chord shape and the fretboard. Okay. Stuff like that, you'll be able to understand how to position your hand on the basic chord. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to waste much of the time. Like I said, if you have any challenges in this video, you can drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to reply. If you have any other lesson you want me to do, drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to reply. Okay, so keep on watching the video, keep on practice. Okay, all right guys, thanks for watching. See you next in the next video.